So as of Tuesday night, we have heard nothing from Chase Sexton, from the team, anybody about this crash and where he sits after this. Now, obviously, that gave him a 37th, so he basically had no finish in the first moto, sat out the second moto, and we've heard nothing, which is really not all that much of a surprise from this sport where injuries are hidden because who knows, whatever. But from the Title 24 podcast with Ryan Villapoto and Jake Weimer that came out a little while ago as I'm watching this, obviously they're talking about everything that goes on in the race, that crash, and they're saying, well, it looks like a shoulder injury. That's pretty obvious. I mean, it's either shoulder, collarbone, concussion, something along those lines. So as to the actual injury, the severity of it, whatever you want to say, who knows? Until they give an actual PR statement or he comes out and says something, we're not going to know if they ever actually do. But the bigger part of this is the rumor or the whatever you want to call it that Villapoto was saying that we might not see him back until Redbud, as far as he is hearing. Now, as I'm looking at this, we are what is today? May 27th as I'm recording this. Redbud is July 5th. So that's a whole 4 rounds that he would miss. I mean, obviously that means the championship's over. It's probably already over anyways after the 50-point deficit that he's probably in now. Finishing dead last, 41st, I think, overall, and being that far into a points deficit against Eli Tomac and Jet Lawrence so far, I mean, they look like they're absolute rocket ships. You're not making up that unless massively bad things happen to a lot of people. You would need bike problems, crashes, from multiple riders, multiple teams, and I highly doubt that's going to happen, at least for multiple people. Maybe one, maybe two, but even then you still have Webb and whoever else is out there. So the sad thing is, though, I mean, if that actually is, he is out until Redbud. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds, maybe, depending on how you look at it.
Yeah, I think you recognize that.
It sucks. I mean, you don't want to see anybody get injured right away, especially somebody who should be a title contender. He should be the guy or a guy right up at the front, running with those two, running with his teammate, competing. And obviously, this being a contract year for him, this could be one of the few races we see with him on KTM. Who knows? I mean, if it's worse than it sounds, or who knows? He could show up at Hangtown and be like, no, I just had to take a week off, whatever, perfectly fine, don't even worry about it. But it's just one of those weird things that every other sport, every other major sport you're looking at, football, basketball, anybody, injury reports are like instant. The day after, even during the game, you'll get one. And for some reason, this sport, who knows? You can wait weeks before anybody even says anything, or he'll show up to a round, do bad, and say, oh, well, actually, I'm dealing with this. To me, I just don't get it. I have no idea why this is like such a weird thing for people to just report on. Like, you're a massive team. Why not just put out an injury statement saying this is what's going on? Don't get it. Don't know. But it is the bigger thing. If he's out until Redbud, it's sad for the championship. Obviously, you want to see the best people racing each other all the time, healthy, hopefully. But I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Have you heard anything else? Have you seen anything else? Because I've been looking and I can't find it. But if you have, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.